Let's have a look, see what we've got inside here. Ain't looking the best, is it really? Welcome back. So something a little bit different from me. I'm going to be doing a tool review. Now, when I went to buy this tool, I couldn't find a review video anywhere. So I thought I'm going to buy it, test it out, then I'm going to do my own video explaining what I found with it, whether I'd recommend it or not. Now, the tool in question is the Karcher OC3 mini pressure washer. So we've tried it out, done a video using it, showing you good benefits of it, any down points, I'm going to tell you that as well. So yeah, before we do that though, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, really help us out. Any questions, drop them in the comments, like the video. Yeah, get straight into this video. So it is the Karcher OC3 mini pressure washer. Now, we've had this about a month. It has been really good, helping us out servicing boilers. So it comes with a charging lead. So I've only ever charged it once, it's lasted quite well. Just plugs into there. That's your main on and off button just there. Let me just show you inside. So to get the tank open, you just pull that up, slide it down and lift it up, and that's where your water goes in there. And it comes with quite a good lead on it, really good lead, that'll stretch quite far. And this nozzle attachment here, now this doesn't come on it, it does come separate. Let me just take that off and I'll show you. That's it off. As you can see, if you used it like that, it would just be like a little jet coming out instead of a pressure. So if you've got a dog, or you get dog walking, there you go. Wash your dog down before he gets back in the car, wash your boots down. Yeah, just takes the pressure off. But yeah, you want that on to give it the pressure. Let's put it back on. Yeah, that's got a super stretchy lead on it, getting towards high places. Yeah, that just pushes in there, ready for storage. Here's your tank. Just lift that up, fill it with water there. And once you've got your nozzle out, it goes through that gap there, the wire does. So just feed it through there. Nozzle goes on there. Let me just turn it round. Then there's a little groove on your tank. That fits in there once it's full of water. And your handle comes back round and down, and that'll lock it into place. Where you want to carry it, it'll just lift up. You can just carry it wherever you want. Yeah. Let me show you how it works cleaning out this boiler. It's a Worcester compact. Hate these boilers, really do. But let's give it a clean out. Just a couple more things to note about it. That's a 4 litre tank, and the pressure that it gives you is 5 bar. As you can see, you've got most of the components out. I have done a video on how to do a full strip and clean on these boilers, so if you want to see that, I'll link it. But let's have a look, see what we've got inside here. Ain't looking the best, is it really? So normally you get that little thin blade from Worcester that you have to get down there. For this Karcher, we'll actually clean that out really well. I'll show you. Nice full tank of water in there. Got the nozzle on the end. Turn it on, and that should be ready to go. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, jump up there, give it a clean out, and I will turn the audio down because it can get pretty loud. Yes, good full tank. I've just sprayed down there. I've missed a bit here. I can get back in there in a minute, spray that out. But yeah, that is a lot better than using Worcester's tool to try and scrape out all them things. Now I've just noticed, look at the splashbacks at the back. Yeah, get yourself a towel in there, so I'm sure you'll put a towel in there. But yeah, so I've had it about a month now, using it on different boilers. Yeah, I've been getting some really good results with it. So yeah, let's put all this back together, get it back working. On these compacts, just a bit of a tip. Get yourself this 7mm socket on this screw here that holds the fan in. Absolute pain to get to. There's one at the front, one at the back. That's the 7mm bit on my weaver screwdriver. That extension bar I bought myself because it don't come with it, but yeah, that's a must for this boiler. 7mm socket piece. This is what I don't like these boys. Everything is just so compact. That's probably why they called it the compact. But look at the access you've got there to the gas valve. Hardly any. I mean, I'm trying to get that back. Hooks up there, which is just tight as anything. I'd say. There we go. I got it back in. That's tight. Now I've just got to get this back in and fire it all up. Another part we can test it on is the trap. Let's get that out and give that a blast through, see if we can get it cleaner than what it is at the moment. I'll show you what you can do on paving slabs. Ready? Turn it on first. Put one on the side on. There you go. I mean, it'll take you a while to do paving slabs, but you ain't going to use it for that. I'm just saying the pressure really decent. I've bought the trap outside. I'm just going to give it a blast through, see if we can get any cleaner than what it is. To be fair, that ain't done a bad job, you know. Okay, clean that, it's on the bottom compared to that side. See all the bits it's come out as well. We'll wash that down, but yeah, look at that. I'm well impressed with that. I'll wash away. So I've just got the trap back in. Yeah, looking a lot better, nice and clean. So yeah, you can use that Karcher to clean out traps. I think another one that would be ideal on is the ideal, you know, the Logic. You always get the bit at the bottom here though that you can't get out. So yeah, give it a blast through, but it will get all that out. So I'm just doing a quick sweep check at the back of the boiler just to make sure I've got all the seals in right. Then I'll get the case back on and yeah, get that all tested. So final checks on this one, just done the minimum, looking good. It's put into max and the max was 9.2. So yeah, looking good on that. Should get this put away just out of curiosity. I'm looking at my tool bag. If you want to see a tool bag review, see what tools I got. That needs a good clean out. So let me know. I'll do a tool bag review, I think. Show you what I've got. That boiler's all cleaned out with the help of the Karcher. Now, these are our final thoughts on it. The only regret I have with that mini pressure washer is I didn't get it sooner. I really have. That has been a godsend. It really has. Like, it's speeded up my day so much cleaning out boilers and that. The one thing that put us off was the price. Now, it retails at about £140. So, you know, quite a bit of money. Now, we have got a link in the comments somewhere where we found it a lot cheaper. So if you're interested in the game one, check out that link. But now I've got it, it's speeding my day up so much. Like I say, doing full strip down services, it's got to take off quite a bit of time. Can you imagine getting in there with a scraper and jugs of water and that, how long that's going to take compared to getting a mini pressure washer in there? But here's a question for you. Now that you've speeded up your day, so that service is going to take you, what, 30 minutes less? Are you going to lower your prices or keep them the same? Me personally, that tool is an investment for my company to speed me up. So I'm not going to lower my prices on full strip services. They're just going to stay the same. The reason I've invested in that tool is to speed up my day. So yes, it is over £100, but that will pay for itself in time over the long run. So I'd really recommend that Karcher mini pressure washer if you're on the fence about getting it and you do a lot of maintenance work and that. Yeah, 100% would recommend. But if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Is there anything better out there that you believe is better than that mini pressure washer? Or any other hidden gem tools that you know about that everyone else should know about? I say just try and help each other out. Drop them in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.